This right here is our 12 by 24 horse stall kit. It's got a 12 by 12 cover on it. They went with our 5-rail and they got the dapple gray powder coated panels. It looks really nice. It's one of our local customers here in Norco. Something that's nice about our stall covers is that we use the Z purlin trusses. They're much more heavier dutier. In fact, both me and my brother can stand on top of here and wrestle around and the roof won't fold over like others. 14 gauge steel, we weld all the end caps shut. Also, something I want to point out is that all of our rails on our panels actually get inserted inside the posts. Other panels out there, they'll just cope, they'll just notch the rails and weld them to the outside of the post. So since we do that, our panels are actually 8 times stronger. And we know the strength number because we've done stress analysis calculations inside of our engineering software. So if you want something like this, it's an easy DIY installation process. The customer got this set up within less than 2 hours. They got this installed themselves. So no welding or custom barn builders needed. All DIY, save them tons of money and time. So if you need something like this, come by our store in Norco or give us a call or go on our website, SoCalFenceandBarn.com.